Hello, this is how to enable developer mode on your Android device. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Go to Settings. Then go to About Phone. It could be different, but try to look for build number. Then go to Software Information. Press build number 7 times to enable developer mode. Once enabled, go to Settings and scroll down. There you can see Developer Settings. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Press this to disable developer mode.